You've tried Pomodoro, flashcards, even chugging coffee at 2 a.m. like it's your final lifeline. But what if I told you there are study tricks so weird, so unknown, they actually work? Let's dive into 6 bizarre but genius study hacks no one talks about. Trick number 1. Error coding recall. Write the wrong answer on purpose. Yep, wrong first, then write the correct one. Example: 2 plus 2 equals 3. Then fix it. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Your brain sees the correction and stores it way better than plain memorization. It's like your brain goes, wait, no, that's wrong, and locks in the right answer. It's reverse psychology for your neurons. Trick number 2. Memory mashing. Mash 2 subjects together into one weird image, like Napoleon holding a microscope, or Einstein riding a dinosaur while quoting the Constitution. Your brain goes, what the hell is this? Exactly. That confusion makes it memorable. Think of it like memes for your memory. Trick number 3. Phantom memory anchoring. Want your body to help you remember? Try this. While learning something tough, clench your jaw, or tap your fingers in a weird little rhythm. Then later, during the test, repeat that motion. Boom, info comes rushing back. It's like your body saved a cheat code and just unlocked it. Trick number 4. Mouthful memorization. This one sounds so dumb, but it's backed by science. Chew a specific flavor of gum while studying, only for that one subject. Then, chew the same gum during your exam. Your brain links the flavor with the info. Instant boost. Why it works? Because your brain loves matching environments. Smell and taste equals memory unlocked. Trick number 5. Semantic Satiation reset. Ever read a word so many times, it feels fake? Like, did I spell that right? Is that even a word? That's called semantic satiation. Your brain just tunes it out. Fix it by Googling that word in another language, then come back to it. Feels new, right? Trick number 6. Reverse whisper recall. Try whispering your keywords backwards. So instead of evolution, you say, noi tu luve. Your brain freaks out in the best way. This weird input makes it pay extra attention. It's called phonetic disfluency. When things sound wrong, your brain works harder. Plus, you're basically forcing active recall. So yeah, these tricks sound weird, but that's exactly why they work. Try just one of these this week, and tell me if your brain starts acting like a memory superhero. Weird works. You just have to try it.